Struggling with Discord stub.x on Windows 11? Here's a quick guide to fix the installation issue and get Discord running smoothly. Right-click the Start button and click Task Manager. Select Discord and click End Task. Click the search icon and type Control Panel in the search bar, then click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Discord and click Uninstall. Right-click the Start button and click Run. Type %appdata% and click OK. Then delete the Discord folder. Right-click the Start button and click Run again. Type %localappdata% and click OK, then delete the Discord folder. Open Discord Setup. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.